Okay guys, ignore that my bed is not made. I'm trying to leave my house and sometimes you just have to like skip steps in order to get yourself to leave. But I'm currently getting ready to go to IKEA because for the longest time I've been talking about that the lighting is atrocious. I've been talking about wanting to switch the frames in my bathroom to black ones. I originally thought the black frames, like I have one above my bed, I thought they would be like too harsh. Like when I first was thinking about like putting frames up, I was always like the black ones are too harsh. But now looking at like my dining room, looking at the one above my bed, I think I prefer the black frames. Like the white is nice. I have a few places where I have white frames, like, and it does look really nice and it's cute. But I think the black goes better with kind of my aesthetic, I think, because I like to use black as an accent in many of my spaces. So yeah, I was gonna order the frames from IKEA, but I've just consistently had problems with FedEx. Like, I don't know. I feel like my least favorite carrier changes every month because they continue to test me. Like even Amazon, it's annoying sometimes. They'll say they attempted delivery, but like there'll be no notifications. Sometimes it'll say we attempted delivery, but we couldn't get into the building, and I'll see that at least they tried the call box. At least they tried it, you know. Sometimes they don't even like, I don't even get the notification. So it's like, you don't know how to do your job. Like that's what I'm getting. That's the conclusion I come to. Like you don't know how to do your job. But yeah, I was freaking out for like 30 minutes, y'all, because I hate leaving my house. Oh yeah, so I was gonna order it, but then I saw that they were gonna charge me like $10 for the items, and the frames are only like $12, and I literally live walking distance, y'all, from the IKEA. Like it kind of made sense the other times that I ordered from IKEA because I was ordering like furniture or I was ordering like 5 frames, but I'm only getting 2 this time. So I think I should be okay walking with them. They're not that big. I was gonna go to the food court, but I kind of want to be in and out. Like I'm just not in the mood to go there. But I really do want to try this pasta. I've been wanting to try this pasta for like over a year now. So we're gonna do that. I just hate leaving my house because like people on the street, you know, they like to say anything to you. They catcall you, they like stop, and it's like I can't even be bothered. But yeah, I've got my hair in this like hairstyle, and my goal is to put this headscarf and make like a headscarf look. I'm trying to get more into natural hairstyles because I have a bunch of classes and I work, so I don't have time to really do my hair anymore, which is annoying. And then like hairstylists love to charge $200, $300 for a hairstyle. And if you guys remember, the last time I got my hair done, I didn't like it. Like it looked good, but I didn't like it. I definitely did not like it, hence why I haven't been back, and hence why if I do go back, I'm definitely picking a different hairstylist. Parts in the front didn't match the back. It was like a whole thing, y'all. This is what we're going for. I'm just gonna do like a little headscarf moment. I'm scared. I haven't been to work in a few days because I was sick. I'm a little scared, like how is my face mask? Am I not gonna be able to wear my face mask? Because I like it over my ears. I think it's cute. Anyways, this is how we're doing our hair. We got the little scarf. I think it's cute. And then I can just put my little headphones on top like this. And yeah, y'all. I could probably pizzazz this up because I got a pack of these. I've always wanted headscarves. Like I've wanted these for like over a year now, but I always talk, again, as I said, y'all, I always talk myself out of buying things. I hella forgot to do. I was gonna do any makeup. That's how you know I've been in the house for so long. But like I've wanted these for like so long, but I talk myself out of getting them, and yeah, so I never get them, and I finally got them. I have a little pack of 4. I think the colors are like, there's one that's more like a stone color, I think there's one that's purple, and then I have a navy blue, and then this black. I guess I could pizzazz it up by putting on a colored one, but I feel like the black, it'll be more incognito. But yeah, it should only take me like 12 minutes to get there. The item I need is on the second floor. I'm gonna try and find it myself. If I do find an employee, I'll ask them. I've never been to this IKEA before either. I recently plucked my eyebrows really thin. I can't remember, I don't think I was filming. I don't think I was filming. I was like tripping out because I made this eyebrow really thin, but now I really like this eyebrow. So I have to make the other one as thin, but I haven't done that yet. So they're a little different in shape. I don't plan on like really talking to anybody, maybe my cashier. Oh, I love these pens so much. I didn't put any sunscreen on. Come on, Rashanda, you're making like rookie mistakes. And hopefully, since I'm wearing like a headscarf, the men are just a little bit more respectful. And I feel like living downtown, I've kind of recognized which streets are better to walk down. Not entirely. I definitely know which sides of the street I like walking on better. It also depends on the time of day. And also when you're like a block away from the street that you want to be on, kind of, you know, look around, observe, like, are there a group of men on that street? Like, see, look how more radiant my skin became because of that sunscreen. Yeah. I'm gonna put on some mascara. I'm just gonna use the Better Than Sex mascara. Hopefully the IKEA is not too crowded as well. Like, that would be really nice. And then I don't really put on any concealer. And then for blush, I usually just use what's ever remaining on here, but I can tell there's nothing on here. So I'm just gonna dip into one of my powders really quickly. There we go, you see how pigmented that is? And now we can go, y'all. So this is the look that I've been rocking lately. I switched out my piercings, so they're not 2 rhinestones anymore. It's 2 hoops and a heart on this one, and then 2 hoops on this one. I have a lot of earrings at the moment because I restocked on my earrings because I literally only wear silver now. So, and I'm gonna put on some Summer's Friday. It's my favorite lip balm, but it's not my favorite lip product, but I use it the most. I definitely think the Lawless Forget the Filter is better. So yeah, that's what we've got going on, y'all. So, I'm back from IKEA. I didn't have to talk to anybody. I went through like the self-checkout. I had my headphones on. I think I only just say excuse me to one person. And it was this white man like standing, like blocking the item because he was trying to measure the item. Anyways, I picked up my 2 frames from IKEA. That IKEA was so nice. It wasn't too busy, but there were sections that looked busy and I just avoided them. But for the most part, it wasn't too busy. So I just got my 2 frames. These are 16 by 20. This is the name of the frame in case you guys wanna get it. So yeah, I got my 2 black frames, finally. My total was less than $30. And then, like, I swear y'all, 5 minutes after leaving my house, the UPS or the FedEx man or woman, I think it was a man because I saw it on like the call box, they came and they delivered my posters. Let's unbox these because I don't remember what I picked out. Oh, I do. I got like some basic, y'all, I got some basic ass pictures. I can always change them later. The main thing for me was just changing the frames to black because they were so exhausting to look at. So I got this one with the lip. Ignore the space on the top. That's literally because Walgreens doesn't have the ratios for this frame, so I had to play around and use like a 12 by 16, I think. 12 by, yeah. And then the second one I got was this one, which is just someone holding flowers. I thought these were really pretty, so I'm gonna do this. I kind of really want to film like an updated hygiene routine because I have changed my hygiene, skincare, but my hair isn't done. Do you guys care if I would wear like this while doing my skin? I don't think you guys would care. Because my last hygiene routine was uploaded in like 8 months ago, and my hygiene routine, I feel like I've improved it. I remember from last time it takes a while to do the frames because thank God I only have 2. Before I had a 5 because there's like plastic film on the frame. Let's see if I can do this quickly. I don't want to bore you guys, so, and I don't want to edit all this footage, so I'll update you guys when I'm in my bathroom. This is what I meant by I have white frames. They look nice, but they don't really pop out. It looks very like vanilla. And then I have the black frames over here. And I'm kind of looking into switching the photos, but I don't really care right now. Okay guys, let me show you what it looks like right now. So this is what it looks like before. Like, it's not ugly, it's not terrible. Like, hopefully the black frame will like pizzazz it up. We'll see. Maybe I just need a bigger frame and I didn't need to change the color. One's like too high. Yo, one's way too high. There we go. It only took like 5 minutes. Yeah, you know, it looks a lot better. Like, filming right here now, it's gonna look a lot better. Like, oh, it looks so much better already. What I would love to do is I would put like a black frame on here, but it seems like a lot of work.